Hi everyone, this is our slim frame window. Now I'm gonna introduce it. You can see this is the whole look, and for the outer frame width is just 2 inch, and for the set frame it's just 1 inch. Compared to the common set frame which is 2 inch, this one will make your property look more modern. And then please come closer. Let's look at the detail. For the hardware, we customize it. Is the custom design. Is the side handle. Side handle. Conceal one will look more nice. And then let's open it. For the lock, what we provide is the multi-point lock, which will make your windows more secure. And for the hardware, what we provide is the German brand 诺托. So it will very durable and wonderful. Let's look at this part. For the base, we use the rubber to cover all the gap. So it will make the base flush and neat. It's easy for cleaning and it looks also very nice when it is open. And next, let's look at how the airtightness will work. You see, for the set frame, we have the EPDM rubber to cover all the frame. And for the outer frame, it also has the EPDM rubber to cover all the frame, so they can connect with each other tightly for airtightness. Okay, let's move on the performance of waterproof. For this system, we have 2 hidden drainage holes. So when it suffers the heavy rain, the water won't go into the house. They will go through from the drainage hole, go through the outside, so it can make sure the waterproof. Okay, let's move on the inner structure. For this system, it is the integrated shelving, easy for installation. And see, the thickness of the aluminum is 1.8 millimeters, slim but strong. And then you see, for all the connection of the set frame and the outer frame and the inner frame, we use the rubber, so it can have the effect of waterproof and airtightness. In addition, let's see the corner joint. What we use is the corner joint with glue injection. It means that we would use the screw to put 2 parts together and then inject the glue inside the window so that it can avoid any space inside the window. So it can prevent the water penetration from the wall when it suffers the heavy rain. It has the best performance of water and air tightness because the way that we deal with the windows. Also, this is a high insulation structure because the thermal braid is so wide. The less the profile has, the wider the thermal braid is, the better for energy efficiency. So it is the slim frame but high insulation structure. Okay, that's all for today. And if you want to learn more, please contact us.